afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay. So last time we were doing Google Analytics, we have to continue the remaining part.
Yeah. You were doing Google My Business, right?
No, Google Analytics. We were
Okay.
seeing the reports.
Okay. And so I wanted to do live project as well. Like I have a page on Instagram,
Okay.
which I said earlier that I used to do for 3 years,
Mm-hmm.
and then after I started working, I stopped. So I thought I'll take that as a live project to do because you know what is happening right now, because I'm learning everything.
Hmm.
And when it comes to practical, like I'm not able to do that much when it
Uh,
is coming to practical, because I'm learning, but when it's coming how to do and when to do, like no, that is not happening.
See,
So
I'll
I
tell
thought
you.
I'd take.
Yeah, in that case, see, first of all, say we have done this right. So, say, first of all, you need to start with all these things. See, if you over here only one article you have added. Now, if you add more articles over here, then say you can practice Google My Business, you can practice Google Analytics also, you can do, and whatever other things that we have done. See, Google Alerts, Google Trends that we have done, these all things can be practiced. Now say one of the best thing is like say Google Alerts. Now say if you are looking for some home jobs, or you are looking for some work, or say some jobs, in that case you can set various Google Alerts, and in that case
Yeah.
you every day you will get some emails in your inbox, and you can apply for them. Those are the things. Plus say practicing say in related over here, you can let me know what is the live project that you would like to do, and what is your concept of your whatever you just said, like your Instagram or say page that you have, and what exactly would you like to do. Then in that case we can take it up according to it.
Yeah, because if like I'll have something to do in practice, whatever I'm learning,
Right.
I want to do in practical as well, because when I'll take up a job in another company for digital marketing,
Right.
like most of the things will be only in theory, but when it will come to
See,
practical, I won't be able to do it.
unless see, when we talk about theory and practicals over here, see, I have already given you this login for practice, right? So this is for practical over here. So over here, first of all, you need to add various blogs to it. You need to work on the search engine optimization that we have already learned. So see, how will I get to know that? Say if you are not practicing, then say there would be a problem. Then say the practical won't occur. So whatever we are learning, you have to work on it. Say first of all, the best thing that I would suggest you is to say add some articles over here, then do some SEO over it. So that would be say your search engine optimization practice. Over here you can add at least say 15 to 20 blogs, because more you practice, more confidence you will get, and more you will understand. And even if you have any doubts, you will get to know that okay, fine, I'm facing a problem over here. See, unless and until we do not do it practically, I can understand that you will also not face any, you will also not learn, and you also will not come up with any doubts. So that is the problem. Okay, so this is what it is, the link that you have shared. Okay, so I'll just check it.
Yeah. Because next time when we do on Instagram and everything, and if we need a
Yeah,
live project, then I guess I can use this.
right. See,
This is my own page.
still now, see, we have after this say after Google Analytics, we have Google Ads, and after Google Ads, social media marketing will start. So now after that, everything would be interesting. Till now everything is more of learning analytics, and say researching work, keyword planners, and all those things. See, that is more of the work, and say brainstorming, those kind of work. When we start digital
Yeah.
this social media, then everything would would be say like very interesting, say like we would be doing Facebook, we will be doing YouTube, Instagram, all these things we will be doing. Then other social media networks also we will be seeing what are the other social media networks you should go in for. Then mobile marketing is there, email marketing is there, SMS marketing is there, then affiliate marketing is there. All these things is something wherein you can sit at home and do a lot of things. Now one of the best thing I'll tell you, see, now say you wanted to work on a project. So now over here, when we talk about say Facebook has various opportunities wherein say you can say sit at home and you can have a very good earnings directly from home. Now that is say Facebook instant articles. For that you require a website wherein you can have say minimum 10 articles, and you keep on adding more and more articles, and more people will open it in their mobile app. At that point of time you will make a lot of money, and say trust me, Facebook pays a lot more than what Google pays. So that is the reason I'm asking you to work on your website, and say if you want you can even create a blog of your own. See, right now what I have given you is the this website. What I have given you is say trial website for practicing. This might not remain forever because this is on the training server. So what you can do is you can create blogs also on this blogger. This is from Google, so you don't need to register. I mean, you just need to sign in with your Gmail account. But this is over here what I'm talking about is this is for practice of search engine optimization, because over here we have say lots of say optimization to be done, and lots of things that we need to learn in search engine optimization, on page and off page SEO. So first of all you need to master search engine optimization. So I would suggest you to write at least 15-20 blogs in this every day. I mean total that much. So every day depending on your time you can write 1 or 2 blogs. So I mean in within say next 10 days you will be able to have say 10-15 blogs. So that would be good. And once you have your own blogs over here, say then you can have the same blogs over here also. You can create an account over here. You can just go to this blogger.com and see over here also I am writing all these blogs. See, whatever blogs I have on my website I am putting it over here also. So over here also, see, over here you have earnings. Over here also you can make earnings. So this is how say step by step everything can go. But for that of course say you need to take time out, and you need to work on it practically. See, I am teaching you practically, because see I am showing you each and everything, not on the I am not using any PowerPoint slides. I am using everything is practically I am teaching you. So whenever you face any problem you can view the videos which I am uploading over here in workplace. So those videos also you can refer. Every day's videos are getting uploaded. So just last I think few 1 or 2 videos are not uploaded, that I will upload it today. So then you won't face any problem. But the initial days videos, that is search engine optimization, you can start from here. You can just review all the videos again and again, and then you can start to again practice. You can add content to your blogs. You can do search engine optimization, because see, like I said, search engine optimization will be used till the end of the module, end of the course. See, last module is mobile marketing, and mobile marketing, Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, Instagram marketing, everything will require search engine optimization. If you want to get your content visible in search engine, then you need to learn search engine optimization. So that is the reason I am emphasizing more on search engine optimization. So you can start adding blogs over here, and this blogger is will be useful for you when I will teach you this Facebook marketing, wherein I'll let you know that how you can earn revenues from this, and how you can integrate by writing daily 1 or 2 blogs a day, and promoting your blogs. This will be your own URL for lifetime. So for that reason I'm emphasizing more on writing the content. And I'll also teach you how to write more content, and say the best way to write the content. Because say I cannot copy anybody's content and put it on my website. For practicing it is fine. Say over here, whatever you are copying and you are putting, that is just for learning purpose, so that is not a problem. But over here, when you write your own post, you have your own account, then in that case you need to write on your own. But say everybody is not a writer, or everybody is not that creative. See, even I myself struggle a lot to create the content. That is the reason on my website also I do not have content every day. Initially when I had time, I used to write one or two blogs a day, but today I'm not getting time, so I'm not able to write the content. So I will teach you the method with which your content will be original and unique, even if you take the content from somewhere, so that is not an issue. But initially, at this moment, I would suggest you to take up this very seriously, so that you know this. Once you master this, then say the whole digital marketing will be piece of cake. So for that reason I would suggest you to do this. Okay, so this is on gift it on. So this is related to, so you are talking about, so you have anything related to gift, your business, something related to gift?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
we used to make customized gifts, and then we used
Oh.
to resell items as well.
Oh wow, this is really great. Then in that case, see, I'll take up one more session for you that will be specially on e-commerce, wherein you can create, see, WordPress you already know, but now I want you to know how to say master this by adding new themes and adding content to it using widgets. All those things
But
are.
this is WordPress. This Earth Rebooted is WordPress.
This is my training server over here. This is my domain. This is what I have purchased. So if you want, you can purchase your own domain, and that could, you can renew it every year. So this is for 1 year. Every year you need to renew it. So if you want, you can purchase your own this say, even one of my student, I'll just show you her website. She has also done e-commerce website. She is also from Walk-in Institute. She is from Ghatkopar branch. See over here. This is affiliate marketing plus e-commerce combined in WordPress. See over here all the products. These all products. So like this, you can have your own e-commerce website if you purchase your domain. She is also writing blogs over here.
And
So
people
yeah.
and what people create on WordPress.com, that is
Mm,
for free.
that is for free, but over there you won't get your own name. Over that it will be like say xyz.wordpress.com. It will be like that, and over there you cannot install the features, the plugins and themes that you want. Over there you can, there is a very limited usability. But if you have your own WordPress, then say, I mean, you can do a lot of things. You can do everything, say like whatever access I have, you will get the same access. All my students say, this student also is having the same thing. Say my other students who are having their own websites, they are also having full access. You get your whole control panel. Then you can get unlimited email IDs, like say your name at your domain.com. Say like my this URL, say on my website helpopedia.com, say that is my website. So I can create as many emails I want. So I have Hitesh at helpopedia.com, then hitesh.chatralia at helpopedia.com, then support at helpopedia.com, care at helpopedia.com. So like this, see, having your own thing, and say having a subdomain with a free version, say there is a lot of difference. And in free version you don't get access to everything. That is the main problem. And say wordpress.com is absolutely free, but you can't use it say fully. So that is the problem. So I mean, you can think over it, and you can use it, and you can create on your own. I will take one
Now,
more.
if I want to create,
Yeah, tell me.
yeah, if I want to create my own website, so where should I go and create? And backend of the website, like how the Shopify is there,
Yeah,
that is for products. But
yeah.
then what backend will I get if I want to create a website?
you will get the whole control panel. You will get a website like this. See, this is this e-commerce website. This is all e-commerce website. So over here you can create a beautiful website like this. Say, I'll just show you. I have taken her e-commerce as well. So over here, say, I'll just show you that she is now creating the latest version and the most advanced version of e-commerce over here, because she had taken digital marketing as well as e-commerce. So over here I'll just show you. Yeah. Okay, so now you can see this is the latest version she's developing right now. So this whole website, after creation, say the front end is created, now she is yet to add the products into it. So this after development, say in between over here everywhere the products will be displayed like Amazon. So the after development this whole website will look like Amazon. She has invested a lot in this. I mean, say she has taken her own website, she has purchased the theme, and various plugins she has purchased. So I mean, this is really very good. So
No, from where does
oh,
she
okay.
control the backend? Which is that, where did she create the website?
See that
Like
website.
where to create the website?
Website you can create it in WordPress. The backend, if you talk about backend, I'll just show you the control panels. Backend is say like say admin panel. She get say like WordPress, you have the admin panel. The same control panel you get for this WordPress also. This e-commerce is in WordPress. So right now whatever control panel, which admin panel I have given you, the same admin panel is there, but over there the only difference is that you have an additional e-commerce thing listed over there. I'll just show you on my website also. I have, so I'll just show it to you on my website, so you will get a clear picture. Plus I will show you the control panel also. Okay, so over here, yeah, so this is WordPress login, wherein I'll show you the e-commerce part. Okay, so over here this is the normal control admin panel of WordPress which you have right now. Over here you can see this WooCommerce. So now if I click on this WooCommerce, you get all these options over here: home, orders, Facebook, MailChimp, customers, coupons. Say like you can have coupons also. You can generate your own coupons, so that say like in festival season, say if you give these coupons to people, then when people will purchase any product, they can say add those coupons and get that much discount. Say if you decide that you want to give 10% discount or 20% discount, then people can get discount. So I'll show you how to implement that. So say suppose you go on my website and you click on our courses. So in our courses, say I have say around 4 products I believe. So in those products I can apply those coupons once I generate the coupons over here. Say like I click on add coupon. So I can add the coupon over here. So create your first coupon. So over here coupon, I can just say that Diwali Diwali Fest, and over here say I can generate a coupon code. So this is okay. So over here this coupon code will be generated, and over here I can say this is for Diwali. So Diwali discount, and this coupon is done, and say I can publish it. So over here I can say if I want, then I can use this. So I can just click on publish. So this coupon is created, and say now I can use this coupon wherever I want for whichever courses that I want. So this is what it is, and see over here this is fixed card discount. So over here say coupon amount would be, say how much discount you want to give, say whether it is in say how much amount. So I would say that okay, say I can give a discount of say 5,000 rupees, or else I can even say free shipping. But over here this is virtual product, so that is not a problem. And over here I can provide the end date. So I will give that, okay fine, the discount will end on 30th of November, and that's it. So usage restrictions, so minimum spend or maximum spend, if there is a minimum amount or maximum amount, say like you would like to say that you want a discount, minimum, if a person is purchasing a product minimum of 500 rupees, then they can get a discount of XYZ amount, that is possible. Then usage discount, say upper limit of the coupon, say, and the usage per user. So if I don't put anything, then it is unlimited. So I mean, you can keep unlimited, because if you keep unlimited, then say if a person wants to use it again and again, say you are getting more business, so that is not a problem. So you can keep it unlimited discount. So I just click on update, and now this coupon I can use it, say on my website. Over here you can see 5 courses are there. So now I'll just click on add to cart, and say it is product is added to cart. Now I can view the cart, and then what I can do is I can apply that coupon over here. So okay, over here this are two quantity, I'll just remove this. And over here, see, over here you have the option to apply the coupon, so I can just click on this and apply coupon. And now the discount should be calculated. Coupon applied successfully, see, coupon code applied successfully. So now you can see over here 58,000 and coupon code, this is the coupon code which was generated, and discount of 5,000 rupees. So now the cost is 53,500. So like this, say you can do a lot of things over here. So this is what I am talking about. You can create your own website. So these all things are possible only if you have your own website. In the free ecommerce.com you can go and create a website, but over there you cannot use the e-commerce plugins, and no, you cannot implement this shopping cart over here. So that is the
So if
only
I
problem.
create on Word, okay, so if I create on WordPress.com,
Hmm.
I'll have to generate it every year. I have to
No,
renew
no, no,
it
no,
every
no.
year.
WordPress.com. See, WordPress.com and using WordPress on your own server is two different things. See, WordPress.com is just say you can create a website, and say whatever features are available you can use those. But see, over here you have say a lot of themes are available. You can add new themes. You can download themes from third party websites and install. You can purchase new themes and add, but over there, say everything is paid. If you want to buy something, if you want to add a new theme, say which you do not like, say you will get a choice of only few themes. But if you want to add a new theme, then say you need to purchase. Then plugins also, you cannot use the plugins. So then what is the use? Say if you cannot use your own plugins whichever you want, then it is of no use. So WordPress.com is just for I mean, say people who just want to create a website for their business, and just have it as it is. So I mean, over here say WordPress.com. Okay. So here, I mean, if you want, you can create your own. Say over here, you can just welcome to the world's most popular website. So you can just create a website over here. So you can just create a normal website with pages and services and all those things. But you cannot have features over here like what I showed you over here. These all features won't be available. These all things won't be activated over here. So in that case, you need to
And how
have
to
your.
get these features?
So for that, say first of all, you can go to say bigrock.in, and from here you can purchase a domain. So first of all, you need to register a domain. Say like I have helpopedia.com, earthrebooted.com, then digitallakemedia.in, then abstractsynergies.com. So I have many websites of my own. So over here you can, first of all, you need to purchase a domain name. So over here you can check which domain, say whatever name you want. Say over here this is like say your okay, over here you haven't given any name to it. This is on your this gift it on. So let me check if gift it on is available or not. So giftiton.com, and then let me check. Okay, gifted.com is not available. If you want, you can buy gifted.net or gifted.net .in. If you it is okay, but .com is really very good because that is commercial, and in is for India. If you want, it will cost you less, 599 rupees per year for domain, and then you need to purchase hosting. So or else if you want any other domain which is available, see, whenever you select any domain, you need to have a list of 8 to 10 names which you can select. So I mean, you just need to check whichever is good. So say maybe you can say search for, say, ayushidigital.com. So let me check if this name is available. Okay, see over here, ayushidigital.com is available. So this will cost you 799 per year plus taxes. So it might go approximately 950 rupees or 1000 rupees approximately. So just let me check. 799 into 0.18, it would be 143 plus 799. So it will cost you 942 rupees for the domain. 942.82 will cost you for the domain, and then you can select the hosting. Over here, Linux hosting, this is shared hosting. So over here you can select for say 1 year, and that will cost you say 149 rupees per month. So we have to pay that in a yearly we have to pay. So it is 149 into 12, so it is 1788 into 0.18, so it is 378 plus 1788. So it will cost you 2109 plus 943. So it will cost you say 3052.84 rupees per year. This is the amount that you, then with this you get your whole control panel and everything. So right now I have just shown you this WordPress control panel. This is a full-fledged licensed copy. Over there you don't get the licensed copy, over there you get the free version. Now I'll show you the control panel of my website, which you will get the same thing over
What is
here.
all this starter, advanced,
That
pro and everything?
those are the different packages. If you have if you want a big website, and if it is a say e-commerce website, or say you want say heavy website wherein you will be adding a lots and lots of content, you will be having thousands and thousands of products, in that case you can choose the advanced version. So I mean, that will just increase the cost. Initially you can start with the low one, and once you feel that you are doing good business, then later on you can upgrade it next year if you want. So this is the control panel, this is the server control panel which you get, on which your website will be hosted. And see, from here you can say over here Softaculous. So over here, this over here you can install WordPress and everything. See over here you have WordPress. So this is what you can install. See, blogs. See over here you can install WordPress. So similar to WordPress, there are various other CMS available which you can install. See over here, this all things. WordPress is very famous, so people install WordPress. Then over here microblogs are there, then portal CMS is there. So like this, there are various options available. Then if you want to create an e-commerce website, then you can create an e-commerce website over here, e-commerce. So you can install PrestaShop, this various. So we use OpenCart. OpenCart is very famous, stable and scalable. So this is what we use, OpenCart. So the one which I just showed you for my student, she is using the OpenCart for that advanced version. So this you can use, but it can be used in WordPress also, so that's not a problem. So e-commerce
Okay,
website
so
can.
Shopify is one of them.
Shopify is say a paid platform. You key whether you do business or you don't do business, you have to keep on paying them, and that is very very costly. So I will never suggest. I don't know why people use Shopify. Shopify, I did not like Shopify at all, because it does not make sense at all for using Shopify. And first of all,
Because
it is
right
very
now yeah, because right now I'm handling the back end of my company.
hmm.
So I handle it on Shopify only, like whatever changes
Okay.
and everything we need to
Uh-huh.
make on the website, do it through Shopify. I
Right.
add products, I
Right.
add content, I add blogs, everything.
See, for a
But if I want to do SEO for my
yeah.
company, I cannot do from Shopify, right?
Right, for that you cannot do. So I think this we had discussed initially in the initial lectures that say for that you require the access to the control say the pages which where you have written the adding the products. So I mean say you can do SEO, but the only thing is that you will not be able to add the plugin. So for that what you can do is you first need to optimize the content of the product. So I mean say like a product, whenever you add a product, so that content whatever is written, that has to be optimized. That say if there is a product description, so in product description if you are adding say 2 to 3 paragraphs all the information about the product, then the name of that product should come up multiple times, say like we had discussed 3% of the time, depending on the length of the content. So
Yeah.
that many times those words should come up. Along with that, supporting keywords also should be there for multiple times. Then it should be in the title, it should be in the description. Then the images that you upload, that also should have the names of the product name. So I mean if I am uploading say this as one product, so this image name also should be the name of that product. So like that, say you can do SEO on Shopify also, but you cannot do as good as say OpenCart or say WordPress or all those things. That is not possible in Shopify, because you are using someone else's platform, and over there I'm not sure that you might have any plugins available for say SEO in Shopify. So let me search, see over here, SEO in Shopify. So over here, Shopify e-commerce solutions. Okay, SEO tips for Shopify website, improving search engine optimization. Over here, say they have provided all the content for individual platforms. So this is particularly related to Shopify only. So over here in the Shopify Help Center, they have provided this information, how to improve search engine optimization. So over here you have various options, say adding SEO related keywords to your Shopify store, optimizing your site structure for search engines, then finding and submitting your sitemap, hiding a page from search engine frequently asked questions. So you can refer to all these things, and then you can know that okay fine, this is what you can do over here. And you can say do SEO on Shopify. But the best thing is that when you have a content, put it on the notepad first, and then you open the keyword planner and you see how many words you have over here, and select the name of the product and search it in keyword planner, that whether people are searching for this product or not. So if people are searching, then say you can use the that product name plus other supporting keywords also. You need to do the research in the keyword planner, and then you add it over there. So whatever are the related words that you can use, say maybe somewhere instead of shopping would be more preferable, so you can change the sentence, instead of shop, you can shop on this website. So or else say shop is not say having good word, say good value, or say amount of searches, then in that case what you can change the sentence that shopping is available on this website. Instead of writing you can shop this product on this website. So say you have changed the keyword and the meaning also remains the same. So and you have more search volumes for shopping instead of shop. So like this you need to change your sentence. So of course that is a manual job that you need to do for the e-commerce website. When it comes to e-commerce websites, you need to put it down on a notepad, and then you need to do manual research for each and every keyword that you are using. So that is the best option. But if you are using WordPress, then say everything is very good. Say you can directly install plugins and it will tell you that whether your content is search engine friendly or not. And say in WordPress, say you can have e-commerce also, say like what I am having on my website over here, e-com WooCommerce, and even the my students website which I have shown you. This is also e-commerce website. So like this, I mean, you can create, you can, I mean, you can suggest your company. I mean, of course they will not change, I know, because if a company is sticking to a particular application from a very long time now, it would be difficult for them to migrate to a new platform. So of course, see, there could be some I don't see anything. I mean, there could be pros and cons, but I don't see any pros in using Shopify. I don't know why people use Shopify. First of
If
all,
I
for
buy a from
yeah,
Big Rock, if I buy a website, if I buy a
yeah,
domain,
yeah.
and then I'll get the access to backend of it.
Yeah, of course. I mean, see over here, I've shown you this is the control panel over here. This is the whole control panel. This is the backend of the this is you are accessing the server.
And I
See
can
over
even do
here.
SEO and everything.
Yes, everything. Of course, you can install your own WordPress. You will get the license copy of the WordPress installed. Everything will be done. So you can create your own website like YouTube. You can create your own website like Facebook, and that also within say just a few minutes. Not even, say, Facebook might have taken say so long to develop the concept, but over here with various CMS that we have, I mean, you can develop within half an hour. Say you can have a very good this thing. See over here, social media network. See, social networking. You have various applications. Say like WordPress, you have various CMS. So we call it content management system. That is CMS. So that is WordPress is a content management system. That is CMS. So like that, we have various CMS over here which you can install. See over here, Oxwall is very good. Then this Dolphin is really very good. This Hub is very good. So I'll just show you this Hub. I've installed it on my website, so you can just check it out. See, it is on.
This is a separate control planner than the Earth rebooted, right?
Both of them will have, see, all the website, the backend would be same. This is the C panel. This is the panel which the server can be accessed. So this we get with the hosting that we buy. With this you can install whatever you want. Say now, say like with this the server control panel, I am going over here in Softaculous app installer. So I am installing apps in my website. See, like a mobile phone, you are installing various apps. Now say there are two methods. First of all, you can develop your own website manually in, like olden days people used to develop the website in Notepad by coding, by writing all the code lines of codes. That was the olden days, but now in today's date we have ready-made content management system. So those are called as apps. So like mobile phones, we install apps from Play Store and App Store. The same way on the website also you can install various apps. So I will go to the app store over here of my website, and over here I can install anything. So if you want a WordPress, then you can go over here and install WordPress. If you don't want WordPress and you say that you want to create a website like say Facebook, Twitter, or any other website, then over here you can create this. Say this Hub I have installed over here. You can okay, this is a website like say YouTube. On this I have created a website like YouTube. So this is I'm just adding the content just for showing. So I will be showing you this in same YouTube marketing. When we do YouTube marketing, at that time I will be showing you how to utilize this, how you can create your own YouTube website. So if you have your own domain, then in one website you can have say various menus over here. Say like if you say you might have a normal corporate website like say I have over here, say then in the menu say like you can have that. Okay, see over here shop is there, so you click on shop, then your e-commerce website will open. Then over here you can say that videos, then say like you click on this and a website like this will open. Your videos can come up over here, or you can use this however you want. You can upload the videos over here, or say you can fetch it from YouTube. So like that facilities are there. Then in one of the directory you want to create a website like say Facebook, YouTube, then you can use all these things. Then you want to make a website like say OLX and Quicker, Then also we have over here ads management. So over here we can use ads management. You can create a website like OLX and Quicker in half an hour. So this is all there. Then say maybe you want to create e-commerce website, then over here we have various CMS available. Again, you can install OpenCart and you develop a website like my student over here. So this is all can be done with all the features, 100% all the features that you want. Those all things are available. So like this, I mean, having your own thing is really very good. Then over here educational, if you want to use you want to create an educational website, say like where people can purchase the course and then they can view the purchase course within the website, they cannot download anything, then you can use this also. That is a website like Udemy. You might be knowing Udemy or Coursera, various
Yeah.
websites. So you can create a Udemy like website over here. So I mean, you see in this you are having more than 450 CMS installed. I mean, you can use whatever you want, whatever website you can think of. You have 450 scripts over here. Then you say over here for video you want to create a website like YouTube, then you can use this clip bucket or Cumulus clips. I mean, you can use this. And even if you want to install something which is not listed over here, then you can manually install it on your server and you can use it as your on your website. So I mean, this is something, I mean, since you get access to the whole world over here, wherein you have control to everything without any limitations, and everything is licensed. You have full copies of all this 450 CMS which are there over here. You want to create a
Okay, so
website.
there are basically one is control panel for server and
Yeah,
one
this
is
is
control panel for
for
website.
website. Yes, control panel is for the server with which you can install various apps like WordPress. And once you install WordPress, then you have a control panel, admin panel for this WordPress, wherein you can manage all the pages and posts and blogs and everything over here. You can manage your e-commerce and everything. Then you don't require the control panel, or you don't need to log into control panel every day. Over here you just need a control panel only when you want to install something. So say now WordPress is installed, so now every day I'm not logging over here. And whatever emails I have created, say emails, I am using it in Outlook. I have configured my emails in Outlook. See over here, I can just go to my control panel and see over here, I'll just show you email. See email accounts. So this is a multi-domain server, so I can install, I can host multiple domains over here. So over here you can see care at helpopedia.com, then Hitesh at helpopedia.com, then hitesh.chatrali at helpopedia.com, then over here Rahul at earthreboot.com, then support at helpopedia.com. Like this I can have and I can create as many emails like I want over here. I can just click on this create button and I can create. So see, that creates an impression when you have your own domain. If you have say a Gmail account in your card, visiting card, then I mean that is really, see, you are portraying a very good company of yours on your visiting card. You are having a very attractive visiting card, and over there, I mean, when people will look at your email address, then they'll get to know that okay, fine, you are using Gmail account. But see, when it is official communication, you need to have your own email address. Say like you might be having your own email address from your company, they might have provided you. So like that, I mean, you need to use this. So I mean, having your own website is, say, anytime a better option. I mean, right now, say, I don't say that you can use you should take it right away. But yes, I mean, if you're looking for earning opportunities and integrating your website with social media and everything, and you have this plan already ready, then I think yes, you can go and you can take invest this 3-4 thousand in your website, and that is yearly. I mean, you don't need to pay anything in between. That is, you will get an email that now your domain is expiring. So domain and hosting both needs to be renewed every year. So this is what you can do. So this is really very good. I mean, say if you already have this, I never knew that you had this business. So this is really very good. You can put all these products in your website, and you can start selling, and say in off page SEO you can promote your websites to the world. And say when we will start social media networking, at that point of time you will know how to promote your products to millions of people free of cost. Yes, free of cost, with the help of Facebook itself. In Facebook, how you can promote your products, that all things I will teach you. That will be with Facebook and Instagram both. And say the next session, say that we have, that is for Google ads. In Google ads, say you will learn how to do paid promotions. Say paid promotions is like, say whenever you start any new website, then you want to do some paid promotions. So on many websites you might see some ads coming up, and so like that your ads will come up on various websites. Then YouTube also, you see the skippable ads, non-skippable ads, those ads, how we can place those ads. So those all things we will be learning in the next session, that is say Google ads. That is, previously it was called as Google AdWords, now it is called as Google ads. So that all things you will learn. See over here, let me just check. Okay,
So for
okay,
Google My
so this has
Business, I
changed.
will
Okay.
for Google My Business I will need a website, now.
Yes, I mean, if you do not have a website, then you can use the free website which is provided over there. But I mean, you cannot add anything in that website. I mean, that is just if people do not want to invest anything in like that. See over here, if you have your own website, then you can make earnings. See over here, you can see on my website ads by Google. So I'm making money whenever people are opening this page and clicking on this, or even viewing this browser. I am making money. See over here also, you can see this ad is there. This is also from Google. Over here, this is also from Google, this is also from Google. So I mean, you open the doors of all the things. You can make money a lot of ways. See, in digital marketing, I had told you on the in the first lecture that each and every module has money into it. How you can remove money, I mean, I will tell you at the end of the session. That is the in the last session after completion of the course, I will take one lecture which will be specially for the projects, and how you can make money with the digital marketing modules, and what are the things that you can do. Say what are the things like you can do is like, say in that I will tell you that okay, you will require a website if you want to do all these things. If you want to do these things, then you will not require a website, you will require a blog. If you are satisfied with only these things, then you don't require anything, you can just use this. And so I mean, whatever opportunities are available, I will give you the whole scenario, and then you can decide whatever you want. But having a website, yes, I mean, it will be useful everywhere. Then you can track the analytics also, like this, you whatever we had seen last time. So this all analytics also you can use. Then Google My Business also you can use. See, having your own website, of course, that will build credibility and trust in people. But say if you just promote it on Facebook and Instagram, okay, you have people over there. But having your own website makes a lot of difference. People would like to visit a website.
Yeah.
That is the one of the most important thing.
And if I want to
So
create my
I
port
mean, you can think over it.
and if I want to
You want to
create my
create.
portfolio for this, like if I will apply somewhere and the company will ask like show us your work.
Yeah.
So how to do that? Like how to create a portfolio on these?
See, in that case, if you want to create a portfolio, then what you can do is say like what I have done. See, I have a website, then I have a Facebook account in my company's name, I have Twitter account in my company's name, I have LinkedIn account, I have pages on Facebook with my company's name, I have Instagram account, I have business Instagram account of my company's name. So like this, you can create the whole portfolio. Then you need to have your YouTube channel with your say your company's name. Then other social media networks with your company's name. So then you can create your own say portfolio. I mean, without a website, I mean, if you create a portfolio, it is something like a headless portfolio. You will have everything, but you will not have the head. That is the problem. and people will trust the businesses who have their own website. I mean, you will be doing businesses, but say, I mean, even say, even if you don't have a website, and if you just want to sell websites like this on say Facebook, you are promoting over here on Facebook, right? So have you added the products over here in marketplace in Facebook?
No.
So this is what I'll be teaching you how to add. This is the marketplace of Facebook wherein you can add your products. See over here, you can see on Facebook you can buy onions. I mean, can you believe it? You can buy onions, you can buy all electronic items, or over here you can see fresh garlic is available over here, or everything. I mean, whatever you can think of. See over here, all these things, tire puncture, you can even buy a car. Vehicles are available, everything is available. See electronic items, everything, whatever you can think of, everything is available. See here there are various things, various categories. See, you can buy vehicles, you can buy property rentals, apparels, classifieds, electronics, entertainment, family, free stuff, then garden and decor, outdoors, say, then hobbies, home goods, home improvement supplies, home sales, musical instruments, office supplies, pet supplies. So there are, see, various categories available, toys and games,
And regarding
sporting.
this,
So
how
you
can
just
I
click
take
on
up freelances for this?
freelancing for what?
For digital marketing, if I want to take up, start freelancing as well after I
Okay, yeah,
complete
yeah, 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 yeah.
course.
Freelancing. See, yes, yes. Yeah, like I said that after completion of the course, I will be taking one of the lecture. That lecture will not be for 2 hours. That lecture might go up till 3 hours or 4 hours also. So I mean, that lecture can be taken as per the convenience. So like whenever you have a holiday or whenever you want, we can keep it. Say maybe on Sunday, we can keep it when you have ample amount of time. So I mean, usually it completes within 2.5 hours or 3 hours maximum, unless and until, see, it depends on how many questions you have. I mean, on the in these type of lectures I have seen that students have hundreds and hundreds of questions over there. They ask a lot of questions in depth. I mean, they have noted down each and everything, because I give them an idea that these are the things that you can ask, and say, you, if you want to earn a lot of money, or say you want to start your own business, or just do freelancing. I mean, then there are various options. So you decide what you want to do, and I tell them that you just keep all the questions noted down, and then you can ask. So I mean, usually depending on students how many questions they have, then say that session might go more time. The longest duration till date I have seen is that session has gone for say around 3 hours 45 minutes, approximately. So
Questions
there, that
related to
was the
all.
Ghatkopar branch, again from walk-in.
So questions.
Everything, whatever comes in your head, I mean, everything and anything and everything you can ask related to your business, or how to do this, how to do that, how can I do it on Facebook, or how can I go and say, like just now you asked, how can you start freelancing. So in that last lecture I will be telling you each and everything, what are the websites where you can go and do freelancing, you can start freelancing. So right now also, if you want, you can go to freelancer.in and you can start bidding on the projects. You can create an account, you need to create a profile, and there you can bid on various projects. So like you can bid on the projects like search engine optimization. See, search engine optimization, first of all you require a lot of experience, experience in the sense, first of all you require a lot of practice. So the easiest thing what you can do right now is say you can work on off page SEO. And for off page SEO, what you can do is, like I told you, that you can start to create accounts on all social media networks. Like on that day we had seen that we had gone to Google and search for all the off high page rank classified websites, high page rank social media websites, and we got the list of all thousands and thousands of websites. So you go to all those websites, start registering an account and create an Excel sheet with the website name, username, password and email address used for registration. So you like that you create thousands of websites, and then over there you can say that yes, we have a list of say 5,000 or 10,000 of page say 5,000 10,000 best high ranking websites where we can do off page SEO, promote your business on various websites. So you can take up, see, and today everybody wants backlink building. That is one of the best things, and Google wants that, and everybody knows the importance, and that is the easiest job. And over there you don't require any skills, just you just need to go to register all those websites, say like you Facebook, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, no, not Twitter, LinkedIn, but say Facebook, then say YouTube, Instagram is also not okay, but say various other websites which we had seen, say like mix.com, StumbleUpon, then Reddit, then various others. So like that you can register on all those website, and you can start working on it. I mean, you can take up projects from today itself. I mean, you just need to go and register on freelancer.in. So the website, I'll just tell you, it's freelancer.com or freelancer.in. For India they have .in. Yes, so this is the website. So you can sign up over here. So I am already a member of this from past 10 years, so you can see my login credentials. So I have a business account over here also. So like this you have, and over here you can browse various projects. So here you can search, see, these are various projects over here depending on what. So here you can say off page SEO, and maybe you can see some results over here, internet marketing, SEO, link building. Yeah, so this is the correct word, link building. So then you might search all the projects that are available for link building. See over here, on page, off page SEO, traffic, ranking on Google, competitors. This is the project details, and over here you get, if you are selected, then say $2 to $8 per hour you will get, and bidding ends in 3 days 7 hours. So say, I mean, you can register today, and if you want you can bid. But over here they also have on page SEO, so you need to make your skills strong before bidding on this project. So yes, I mean, I don't say that you can do it, bid on this project today itself, but yes, I mean, you can use this. So like this you can go and register on this website, and you can browse various projects. So you can just browse everything. I mean, you just click cross, and from the categories also, I mean, apart from digital marketing, whatever you know, you can see over here various projects are available. See, browse available projects to work. So you click on this projects. So now over here you will get list of all the projects that are available, and then you search for the projects. So okay, so it is coming up. Okay, so now over here you have, see, convert, this is very small, see, convert PDF into Word. So you have, you can take up, so this is a sort of data entry work wherein they are paying $250 to $750 per project. So this is say approximately 25 bids are already done, and 7 minutes ago itself it was posted. So like this you have, when you click on it you will get more details about it, and people will chat over here. So the vendor will contact you, the company will contact you, they will have a chat with you. So they might chat with various bidders, whoever, see, 25 bids are there, and whoever proposal is the best one, they will chat with them, and they will decide that whom to give the project. So like this, so you say, it is not that you bid on this project and you will get this project. See, there are so many people who are bidding on this project, so you need to prepare yourself the best. So once you prepare yourself and say you have having a good say proposal, you have a good say portrayed everything excellent, that you have done this all things, you have this much experience, you write the name of the company and everything. I mean, you just write all these things. So yes, I mean, this can be done. See over here, there are various things: novel typing and looking for social media experts. See over here, looking for social media experts. This would be easy job, but say first of all you need to learn social media marketing. So after Google Ads we will be starting with social media, so then this would be very easy. So, and like this there are thousands of jobs available. See, digital marketing, I need to promote my Instagram and Facebook page to get more leads out of it. So this is what you can use. Then 9 models, indoor models. Okay, so this is something different. Okay, virtual assistant. So here you can even apply for this virtual assistant, wherein of course since you are already working this job you cannot take up. Otherwise, say it's like say call center executives which can work from remotely. So you all the calls that will come on your mobile phone, and you can answer them. So I mean, that all things, say like chat processes could be there, or say voice process, so that virtual assistant. So this is what it is. Then Facebook marketing, so Facebook marketing is there. Then scrap website for vehicle information. Okay, so I mean like this. Over here now, over here in projects you can search for, say, link building, and then you can say over here, see, Facebook ads, digital marketing specialist, looking for SEO specialist. See over here, we are looking for SEO specialist. You must be willing to keep abreast of industry innovation trends. We are trying to extend our team, so we are looking for a person who has some experience or something like that. And they are paying 10 to $30 say maybe per hour or per project or something like that. So like this they have. Then sales leads, researcher, developer, like this. So and you are getting $2 to $8 per this. So like this, I mean, you have various. You here you have fixed projects or hourly projects. So fixed projects, you or the project will have a fixed cost, that okay, this project will cost you $500 or $1,000 or say $100, whatever it could be. It can be even $30 if the work is small. So like this you can have fixed projects or hourly projects also. But in hourly projects, I mean, you need to maintain the time sheets and everything, so that is okay, fine. I mean, that's okay. So like this you can do this all these things. So here various skills you need to, I mean, I can just clear all these skills. And over here, see, off page SEO, link building, you can bid this today itself. This is one of the best things. See, hello, I need link building from top websites targeting UAE market. We are an e-commerce website, target market UAE, and over here they are paying 250 to $750. And the review of this vendor is really very good. Say 10 reviews are there and 4.7 star he is having. So this is a very good company. So off page SEO is something best. Over here you can bid on this project right away, because you have already learned this, and this is something very easy. You do not require any skills, that's it. Then over here Facebook ads, okay, digital marketing specialist. Then developer, okay, that is developer. Phone gap, this is developer. Build a company WordPress website. So see, build a company WordPress website, so you need to practice WordPress. That is the reason I told you to add all the themes and work on the themes, make the changes, add a logo over there, then add content to it. That was the reason. See, building a WordPress website is very easy. I mean, this is a piece of cake. I mean, you can develop a website in just a week if it is a company website. So if it is a company website, they might have a lot of content to add, or they might have they might require some features also. So that all things you can add and create. See, website development for social media platform. So we are looking to build a website for a new social media platform that will help people to connect based on their interest areas and all those things. Okay, fine, this is a custom development, so this is, you can leave it. then employee productivity tracking, okay, digital marketing, SEO, high competitive and competition analysis keywords. So over here you can just provide. See over here they require, okay, only German speaking countries. Okay, I mean that's okay. I mean still you can do the competitive research, whatever keyword it is, that's fine. That is not a problem, and you can check all these things. So this over here you can use Google Keyword Planner, then you can use SEMrush. There are various options available. Then Google Trends is there, Google Alerts is there. You can use all these things. See over here, casino link building. Over here they are paying 13 to $26. So probably this would be per day or per hour or something like that. Casino and betting links needed, or say something like that. So here see 5-star ratings are provided for this client. Over here also say 5-star ratings are provided. So like this, and this is one of the best platform. Whenever you work over here, this, say suppose you are selected for this work, this if the this company will choose you as their vendor, then in that case this company has to deposit escrow amount to this freelancer.in website, which they cannot withdraw. This company cannot withdraw after depositing this amount. Then you will accept the project. Before accepting the project, you need, whatever you decide, you will be telling them that you need to make a deposit of this amount, and once they make the deposit, after that you will accept the project. And after accepting the project, you will discuss with them that what is the work that you have to do and all those things, and then you will start the project. And then once the payment is say once the work is completed, say you will decide that, okay, payment will be say released say after 25%, 50% of the work completion, then 75%, or else say on 50% completion they will release half the amount, and on 100% completion they will release the balance amount. So from the amount which they have deposited, they can only release. So say if they have deposited $1,000 and you have completed half of the work, so now they cannot take this amount back, they cannot withdraw. They have only the facility to release the amount. So there, when they click on the release button, they will ask how much amount to release. So you will say that, okay, fine, for $500 to release. So they will add 500, and then they'll click on release. Immediately that amount will come up over here in your account. Over here it will see, over here it is shows 0.00 INR. So over here your account will get reflected, and then from here your bank account you can attach over here, and then they will transfer this amount to your bank account. So I mean that is very easy. So this website is one of the best websites. So whenever I do not have any training, see, because whole year it is not something that you have trainings the whole year. Say maybe 1 or 2 months you don't have any students. So in those times I come to this websites and I bid on this projects, and on this website I am a member from say maybe around 8 to 10 years, and I have earned approximately in all these 10 years. I mean I just do it in my free time, but in free time also in say 8 to 10 years I might have earned around say 70 to 80,000 I have already earned. But if I do this free in full time, then I mean you can just imagine what is the potential. And over here you can search for any type of projects. I mean you can just search. See over here I have just typed link building. I mean you just type for say data entry. So I mean you will get, see, create a corporate design with several print products. Okay, so you can leave this. Then hire a data entry, we are hiring a data entry interest and all these things. Then online data entry clerk. Then okay, this is Pakistan, okay, forget it. Data entry $1 per hour, not two. So okay, so over here it is $1 per hour. So I mean it's okay, depending on the free time that we have, we can do. I need a data entry operator, see, 8 to $20. Then over here well skilled Shopify export data entry product. See over here, this is for your related, you are already doing Shopify data entry work, so adding products and everything. So see over here, well skilled Shopify export data entry product and create footer homepage. So I mean you can, if you want, you can just study all the details of this project by clicking on it, and then you will get all the information. So let me just open it in a new page and see what details they have. then you can just go through that whether you can do this or not. See over here, the task is mostly about importing products from a third party website. So project manager will import probably 1400 to 1500 products from a third party website using parsers. App to my Shopify website in my catalog under my homepage categories and subcategories. Project managers will also create pages for my footer and nicely import the content for those pages from third party websites. So website will be provided to extract information, and also will create category and subcategories for the main tab in homepage and import product as well. So I mean, if you can do this, I mean you can do, I mean you can take up this project. The skills required are data entry, Excel, HTML, Shopify templates and Shopify. That's it. And over here you can bid the amount. So you can bid the amount in US dollars over here. So usually it is in US dollars, but the payment that will be converted and given to you in Indian rupees, so that's fine. So here you can bid. So how much they have given? So they have given 250 to 750 is the maximum amount. So you can bid between this, not less than this, not more than this. I mean, if you bid more than this, then say yeah, there are very less chances that you might give, because first of all, people will say study that okay, who are giving this much amount, and if you bid lower than this, then also say people will not be interested, because then they will see that you are just interested in taking up the project, and you might not provide the quality. So the best thing is that you can provide something in between, or say at 3/4 of this amount, say maybe around 600 or 675. Keep a figure which is say they will understand. Say like, I mean, don't just give a round figure that okay 600 or 500. Keep it say like 650 or 675, 680, something like that, a different figure. Then they will notice it. So like this, I mean, you can go to this website and you can start bidding on the projects over here. And over here you can see this. You, if you want to know the security, see, identity of this employer is verified, payment method is verified. So here you can see this payment method is verified, so they will make a deposit, and say their bank account or their credit card or something is attached to this website with which the payment is uploaded. Then deposit is also made. See, they have already made a deposit for this amount, this project. And email address is verified, profile completed, phone number verified, everything is verified. So I mean, see over here you have reviews also, all 5-star reviews, 17 reviews are there, and all 5-star reviews, so you can understand. And the employer is from US. So I mean, this is one of the best thing that you can bid on. So like this, you will see everything. And if you want, then over here you can provide your bid amount. Over here you can say that how many days it will take, and over here you can provide your best proposal. And over here you need to tell them that how much milestone you need to prepare. So over here, milestone is something that is the deposit milestone you need to provide. That say over here, you, if you are bidding say 500, then over here you can say you can create a milestone of 500. So if you are putting a figure of say 680, then over here you can tell them that you need to create a milestone of 680. Or else you can create multiple, say like first milestone over here you can say that 50% on completion of 50%. And over here you can write, if you are bidding 500 on the top, then over here 250 rupees on 50% completion of the work. And then add another milestone, balance amount, this much amount that you can write on 100 completion. So here they'll get to know that okay, they need to make 2 milestones, so it's fine. So first of all, they'll make the first milestone, and when they release this, after that you don't start again working. Tell them first to create another milestone, then you will continue. Then they'll create another milestone, and then they'll make it. So this is how. And over here this is optional upgrade, so I mean you don't need to do all these things. If you take up say $1, if you add $1, then your bid will be highlighted. So it's like say premium featured bid, something like that. So I mean you don't need to put on this. I mean, once you start earning a lot, at that time you can select everything, say like $1, or say this sealed, so no one else can see. So all the other bidders. Otherwise, in this you can even check the bid of all the other people, what they have bid. So that also is possible, so you will get to know. So first you can read what other people have provided, you can read everything, and then you can go and put all these things. So that is what you can do. So this website is really trustworthy, and I am associated with this website from quite a long time. So I mean, it's really very good. So here, say if I just show you the transaction history over here. Okay, all transactions right now. Okay, see right now, see over here you can see all the transactions. See 4,500, 4,500, 500, 1,050, 40, 1,050, 1,117, then 172 over here, 222.50, 150, then 1143. So like this, I mean, there are, see, n number of pages over here. So I have already worked on this. So I mean, I've done hundreds of projects over here. These are all the transactions, so you can see all the transactions till date. So I mean, over here, if I go to the last page, I mean, you can just see there are, see, this is oldest one is say from 2014. So yeah, so it's 6 years. Yeah, but I'm member of this website from 8 to 10 years. The my first transaction was on say 2014. So here you can just check. So this is how say you know that this is trustworthy. So all these things, invoices, you can just check all the invoices, milestones created, or funding, pending funds or something like that. So right now there are no pending funds because I have already withdrawn everything. So like this, I mean, you can, and whenever you bid on anything, say people will say, oh, here you need to check messages, so that you get to know that, okay, fine, I have updated the project, please for read it and everything. So like this, you can do everything, you can check the messages that people have sent. So, and say over here they might even chat with you if required. Then you can reply back if you're not available at the same time. If the time zones are different, then you can just reply back. So like this, this is one of the best website wherein you can start as a freelancer right away. You can just register on this website today itself, and you can start working and bidding on this. So this is what it is, and you can search for various things over here, say like link building, SEO, uh, various things, whatever you know. So like Shopify data entry, you can search for various keywords and you can do this. So this website is good, you can start this website as a freelancer from today itself. So yeah, I mean, like this, say, but the only thing is that at each and every place you need to work practically. You need to work and add all the contents. You need to work, you need to practice all these things. So that is the only thing. So you can start to add some content over here, do SEO, make sure the readability and SEO both are green. Readability up till some extent it's okay, but SEO should be green at any cost. So that is the most important part. So this is what you need to do. You add more over here, add more blogs over here, then it will be good. So I mean, reporting up till some extent, I mean, whatever I've shown you in the analytics, it's more than enough. But the other reports, say like behavior and conversion, these are all for corporate websites, wherein say if you are having an e-commerce website or a large website, you have millions of traffic every day. In that case, you can use all these things, so it's okay, I mean, it's fine. And Google Ads, what we are going to do, that is really very good. Sell, because over there I will be teaching you how to create various types of ads. Say like if I go to Google over here, then I search for say digital marketing courses. Then over here you can see this paid ads. Over here it says AD, AD, AD over here. these are all paid ads. So here you we will these are called as search ads. So we will learn how to create these ads, plus I will teach you how to then all the different types of ads that we had seen on my website, all the banners. Then on YouTube you see, or you already see various ads like say skippable ads, non-skippable ads. Then you will see the ads which are say on the side, those kind of ads also you see. So all those kinds of ads we will be seeing. So those all things we will be learning in YouTube. Say in YouTube, say if I open say any let me open this, and say let me close this. This is the okay. Over here it did not come. Say over here try YouTube Kids. Okay. Okay, over here also ad is not coming up. So I mean since this is related to kids it might not come, but maybe if you open something else, see over here Google ads. So this is what we are going to learn next. Maybe over here something, if the ads are coming. No, okay, this is live, so here it won't. Yeah, see over here this is coming. See, this is skippable ads over here. So we will learn how to create these ads in the
Okay.
next session. So Google ads is there, so that is really
I
very
had
good.
one more question.
So in case if you want to do a paid promotion,
For Google
yeah,
Alerts,
yeah,
I
tell me.
tried, I searched for like for digital marketing, I kept an alert, but I'm not getting like it, the articles are coming. I'm not getting job
Hmm.
alerts. I've kept job alerts, but I'm getting art daily digest I'm getting.
See, if no, I'll tell you. Say the keyword that you have mentioned is not correct. If you just type digital marketing is a very, very, very broad range keyword. How will Google get to know that what exactly are you looking? Say when you talk about digital marketing, it can be a course. When you talk about digital marketing, it can be a service that you might be doing, digital marketing service. When you talk about digital marketing, it can be something wherein say you are looking for any information on digital marketing. So I mean, how will Google get to know? I'll just show you my alert. See what, if you are talking
Yeah,
about
I
jobs,
kept digital
then see
marketing
over here.
executive and social
Uh,
media executive.
okay, see over here. Yeah, I mean you need to put all those things. See over here what I have written: digital marketing faculty required, digital marketing faculty required in Navi Mumbai, digital marketing trainers job, digital marketing trainers position, digital marketing trainers required. See, with the same thing twisted with different types of combinations of different words, the meaning is same, that people are looking for digital marketing trainer, whether it is trainers or faculty or required in Navi Mumbai, all these things you can search over here. And see over here what you can do is you can search for, say you can add for uh,
I searched for digital marketing executive and
digital
I am getting all
marketing.
news. I don't know why am I getting news.
Okay, okay, one second. Digital marketing executive jobs. Once you do this, then from this select options, and over here you just delete that, and over here you just keep this
Yeah.
as automatic. See, if you have selected news,
No, it is
then say
automatic
it might come
only.
up news, but if you make sure that
Yeah,
it
it is
is automatic.
automatic.
Okay, if it is automatic, then you see whatever is available, then it will come up. In that case, you just need to add this jobs over here. See, digital marketing executive is also, I mean, it does not exactly tell what you are looking for. The best thing is that add jobs at the end. Digital marketing executive jobs. So then you will get the exact. So then Google will get to know that you are looking for a job. so then you will get it. And over here region also you can select, so I mean that is for India, and then you can say create alert,
Okay, so I
so
have to
like this
add
you will
job
get to
behind,
know.
I have
Then
to add
definitely, I
job
mean,
behind
say you
everything.
should get. Yes. And yeah. Uh, yeah, I mean, say if you are search, if if it matches, otherwise see over here it was matching. Then say like if you are just searching for social media executive, then yes, I mean you can add jobs, social media executive job, digital marketing jobs, then digital marketing executive jobs. You try different ways, say like you even type digital marketing jobs, digital marketing executive jobs, like that you can use different kind of things. And say you are getting you got email wherein say it told you about the news, right? In the same email, scroll down at the bottom and it will show you, there would be a link wherein it will tell you that explore jobs.
I got see more
Let me
results or
just show
edit this
you over
alert.
here. See job alert from. Okay, okay. See, that is fine. See over here. See job. I see. This is for today. See today how many places they require digital marketing trainers. See urban
I
pro
see
they
over
require,
here
urban pro they
how it has
require, and
been
over here
shown to
Indian
you.
Institute of Digital
Over here how
Education
it has been
IID
shown to
Andheri.
you job alerts for from.
Yeah,
I'm getting Google alerts. I'm just getting Google alerts
yeah, yeah,
written.
yeah.
I'm not getting job alerts.
Okay. Yeah, see if there are no jobs, yeah, see even I am getting Google alerts also. I am getting Google alerts also. See over here Google alerts.
Yeah,
See if
this
something
I'm
is
getting
matching,
Google
see like
alerts
over here I just
daily
click over here Google
digest.
alerts. Then over here I'm getting, this is what, this is, yeah, this is daily digest that you are getting. So we are not looking for this email, we are looking for this is, we are looking for jobs. So you just need to say change the keywords, so that is the only thing which you are not getting. So if you add say digital marketing jobs and digital marketing executive jobs, then maybe you would get. And say over here I will just say open explore jobs. This link over here, see digital marketing executive jobs. I will directly send you this link, and you open this link and you can search it in real time if you are not getting the proper right emails. See to get saturated it might take few days or say few weeks to get the right results for you. So in that case, till that time you can go to this URL and you can search, you can change over here. See uh, you can change the name over here, digital marketing jobs, digital marketing executive jobs. And then once you get the results, see over here there are latest results available. Then over here you can see marketing executive, digital marketing marketer, executive marketing manager. So over here there are various things, so you can even select from there. Then you can select from the location that okay fine, I want it from say up till 25 kilometers or 10 kilometers you want. Then you will get all the jobs very near to you. Then say new to you or say haven't seen, then you can see that also. So I mean if you have seen the ones previously, then those job will not come over here. Then date posted, this is important. So I mean if you select all, then it will come all of them. You can select past week, so within past 1 week the fresh jobs, so you will always get fresh jobs. So here past 3 days, then you will get all past 3 days. So here digital marketing executive SEO, then over here all the job description is already mentioned. Then over here company is there, then approximate salary what they are paying, that it is provided. Over here location map is provided, and over here the name of the company is provided. And how you can apply, you can apply on jobs, apply on times job, or apply on Glassdoor. So on any of these three places you can click and create an account and apply. But say every company might be using something else, so I mean you cannot go and create accounts on hundreds of websites. The best thing is you search for this name in Google, open a new tab and search for this company comma Navi Mumbai. Then you will get the address and website, and on their website you can check for carrier section, or else you can get the contact number of the HR over there, and then or else you can call them up, and then you can tell them that I got this reference from Google, and you have a requirement for this. So I mean then you can talk with them, so then it is possible. So this is what you can do. So this link I will just forward you. So this link in the chat I will provide
Okay.
you. Okay. Yeah, so this is what you can do. So I'll just press enter, and you can just click on this link and then you can search. So here you can see jobs google.co.in. So this is what it is. So this is for job, so you can search for this. So once you click on this, this page will come up, then you can search for anything, then date posted, then type would be say like full-time, part-time, internship, whatever, then company type, all or manufacturing or employer. So say I mean over here there are various employer. I mean these two things are not that important. I mean employer can be anything. I mean it's not necessary that you are contacting only these companies. I mean these are the companies which we have just seen, so their names are coming up over here. So I mean these two are okay. So you can search type, say like type is full time or part time. If you are looking for even part time, then you can even search for this, say like part time. So there are many companies who are even offering part time. See over here, this company over here part time. So then over here you can see that okay, this company is offering part time, then over here this company is also offering part time, then over here also this company is also offering part time. Over here there, I mean there are various companies, and then you can see everything, that what are the jobs, roles and responsibilities of this job. Then you can read more. See over here the lot of things are provided, and you can contact that company. See over here the website URL is also provided, seventhcontact.com. So you can go to that website and see that okay fine, if they have any contact information or the career division on their website. See job seekers services, work with us. See over here you have work with us, also job opportunities. See, yeah, see job
Yeah.
opportunity on their website itself, it is there. So maybe over here working hours and everything, all these things are provided. And then how to contact them in I mean that you can contact them over here. So like this you can see resume writing career. Okay, so like this I mean there are various things available. So then you have contact us options, and then over here job seekers or employer. So here you can click on job seekers, enter your name, email address, phone number, message, and upload your CV over here, and then I'm not a robot, and then send message. So you directly get to this. I mean over here you, this is something very easy. You can just select this, I enter the details, upload your resume and send it. That's it. So I mean this is very easy. So like this you can search for anything. Now over here you don't want to know executive jobs, you just search for digital marketing jobs, and then press enter. So now a fresh list will come up with a different kind of jobs. Over here say now over here one developer executive and SEO strategy, to manage AdWords and other digital advertising campaigns, design and executive email marketing. So yes, of course these say this advertising part and all those things are remaining, email marketing is remaining. So I mean once we do all these things, then you can take up these projects as well. You can work in this company also. I mean if I mean you can apply everywhere. So here once you get to know, then yes you will be able to take up any companies,
Okay.
then you will not face any difficulties. So this is what it is. So yeah, I mean but again everything rounds up to only one place, that is practice. Unless you do not practice at your place, the see even if it is a classroom training also, then also see you, I'll be teaching you this on my laptop. See when physically classes were going on, I was taking classes in all the institutes of walk-in across Mumbai and Pune. But over there also I mean see, I bring my laptop and see, like what you are seeing on my screen right now, the same thing, I would be sitting in front of you with my laptop and teaching you everything. And of course, yes, since you are sitting over there, then say you can ask any questions over here also. I mean, it is the same thing. The only difference is that over there we'll be sitting face to face, and over here, I mean, you are at your location, I am at my location. That is the only difference. But related to practicals, it's something which you have to do at your place. Because see, in the institute, I mean, if the institute is near, then institutes will provide you the say facility of the lab where you can come and practice. That is possible. But otherwise, say if nowadays, say people just for going to practice at the institute doesn't make sense. I mean, it's better you can practice at your own home. You have a PC, laptop, whatever, and you can practice it, and it's the same thing. So you can do it. So I would suggest you to say practice each and everything, and I am always there whenever say you require any help. So you can just drop a message on WhatsApp that you are facing this problem, and I can guide you that okay, you can do this thing like this, or say whatever is the answer to it, I can provide you. So you can send me message 24 hours a day, not an issue. Say I'm working till late night, say up till 2 o'clock I'm available, so not a problem. You can drop me. My morning starts, yeah, the only thing is, like, yes, early mornings are not possible because say I have batches in the night time also, say from 2 to 4. Some days I have 2 to 4, some days I have 12 to 2, some days I have 4 to 6. So it's not a problem. The only thing is, for because of this schedule, my morning starts at 11:30. I won't be available before 11:30. But yes, messages you can drop 24 hours a day, not a problem. Anytime you face any problem, you just send me a message on WhatsApp, fine. So whenever I read it, I'll reply back. That's it. So you have all my help, and if a call is required, we can even talk over the call, and I can explain you everything, or we can take it in the next session, whatever it is. So yeah, I mean, we can even have a call so that we can save time and you can practice it that at that point of time. So I mean, even that is possible. So yes, so practice is something, I mean, I cannot make you do practice. You have to do it yourself, whatever I teach. And the best part is, say, in the classroom training, we were not recording anything. Over here,
Yeah.
all the lectures are getting recorded, and they are available. So whatever you have learned till date, all the lectures are available. You can again rewind and see all the lectures, and you have access to it. And even if tomorrow Facebook will say that we are closing this platform, then also I have all the lectures backup taken in 3 different hard disks, so you don't need to worry about it. Then I will create a separate YouTube private channel, and I will give access to your individual lectures on YouTube, which only you can see. So I mean, that also is not a problem. But yes, Facebook is right now, I have registered as a company account, so for me it is free. For individuals it is paid, and for students it is free. So I mean, you also don't need to pay for this anything, because Facebook is free. So I mean, we can use this platform as up till it is available. But say I'm currently I'm not getting time. I want to develop a platform, so I mean, wherein on my website itself people can come and log in and check their lectures with their login details, like Udemy. So all the lectures will be uploaded on my website. So yes, I'm in a process of developing it. All the plans is ready and everything, but the only thing is
Okay.
that maybe in Diwali, if I get some time, because mostly in Diwali all the students will require holidays. So I think I might get a week's time. So week's time is more than enough for me to develop that website, because everything is ready. I mean, all the plans are ready, and what are the things I require in that website, so everything is ready, so not a problem. So 1 week is more than enough. So I mean, yes, then you will have access to all those things for lifetime. You will never face any problem, and even after the course is completed, my relation with student never ends. It is always there. Even in today's date, say the students who have completed the course, say maybe around 5 years 6 years back, they all are in touch with me today. They are working in corporates, and whenever I have any live projects, I pass the projects to them, because I myself don't have time. So I take up all the projects because of my contacts. So I take up all those live projects whenever I have, and I pass it on to my students, and they deliver the project, and then I deliver it to client. So I mean, since we are in contact, because see today what we are learning might not be say the latest, maybe after say 12 months or 1 year or 2 years of time. So uh, whenever we have something new, say we get together at one place and we discuss everything, and have a session on say brainstorming, what are the things that you all are doing in your company, what are the things that you are using the most, what are the things which should be used and you are not using, which you can study, you can, which you can tell to your company, you can suggest to your company. And whatever new things which have come, that all discussions we do, so that all my students are updated always. So I mean, say you have my support throughout. I mean, even after the course is completed, never hesitate to contact me at any point of time, because say in my phone, if I show you my contacts, I have around 3,500 contacts, and mostly 80% of the contacts are of my students who regularly are there on WhatsApp and calls and everything. So I mean, it's never so you have all my support, so you don't worry about the practical part. You practice it, and if you face any difficulty, directly send a message, directly shoot a message. I mean, even if you shoot me 100 messages a day, no issues. I want students to ask questions, so if you, even if you ask me 100 questions, I would be happy to answer, because I know if you ask more questions, you will learn more. If you don't ask any questions, then it's very difficult for me also
And
and you
sir,
also, that you will really learn something.
for
So always note down
Google
any
Search
questions. Yeah,
Console,
yeah, tell me.
yeah, 1 second. For Google Search Console, it's
Yeah,
showing domain new and URL prefix. So how do I practice Google Search Console?
yeah, okay. Google Search Console, on the right hand side you need to enter your URL. See, there are two boxes on the left hand side also you can add a URL, and on the right hand side also you can add a URL. So on the right hand side you can add your URL, because on the left hand side you need to say the verification process is very stringent. I mean, over there you need to access the domain DNS, which I do not want to touch, because that is already hosted with the company, so that is not possible. So, and on the right hand side the verification can be done with the help of HTML file, which can just be uploaded on the server. So I have, since I have access to the server, if you download any file, you just send it to me, I will
Okay,
upload it
so
on the
for
server, and
this, I
your
can do with
domain will be
this
verified.
Earth booted which is there, na? I can use that URL, na?
Yes, 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 absolutely. I mean, you can use this, you can use the same URL for Google Analytics, for Google My Business, and all the things that we
Okay.
have already learned everywhere. That is the reason I have given you the practical URL, so you can practice each and
Okay,
every
okay,
model,
that's the question I have.
modules. I mean,
Because that day I started, I was
so
like,
that you
today
can
I'll
use,
start,
and
I'll
if
go
you,
order
yeah,
wise. Like I
yeah,
practiced
I mean that you
SEO
don't have,
that day I created, then I was like, I'll start with Google
yeah,
Search Console. Then I
yeah,
got, and then I stuck up over, and I got stuck here, saying that, the URL I didn't
hmm,
understand. Like, I need to put the existing URL or I need to put the
okay,
new URL to create.
yeah, yeah, existing URL. I mean, yeah, the existing URL that you need to put. So your whole URL earthrebooted.com/IUC. Once you put that, then your you will get, if it is say if I've already uploaded, then it will not ask you, it will directly get verified. And say if it will ask you, then it will ask you to verify the website with a HTML file which you can download. So you can click on the HTML download it and save it on your desktop. And then you can email me. I will give you my email address also, so I mean you can just email me that file, and I will upload it. And just put a message on WhatsApp
Okay,
that I have
okay.
sent an email with the HTML file,
And
with
now
the
I'll,
verification file for
yeah,
Search Console,
and
so
now I'll
then
start writing
it would be
blogs
done.
also every day.
Yes, blogs also. Yes, that is very important, because see, you need to master search engine optimization. And if you master search engine optimization, then I mean you can master, say, I mean you can optimize Facebook, your YouTube channel, your Instagram, or any social media accounts. You can master everything. And you can get your content on the first page. I will show you when we learn YouTube marketing how to get your content. See, one of my video is on the first page, and the first result in worldwide any search engine you search my with my keyword, my video will be seen on the first page, first result. That is what I mean. You search in any search engine, I mean you are allowed to search on any search engine. That is what I mean. I have worked a lot on this. And say people spend a lot of money for getting their videos to the top. I mean it's very easy. I mean it is search engine optimization that we are using. All the implementation on the content, wherever you see content, wherever you see text, just remember that you have to apply SEO on it, and then publish the content. So I mean you can get any content. See, on Facebook also you have an account. See, right now it is just a profile. Profile is not required. I mean profile is just for we require profile account on Facebook. That is just for the sake of account, but the actual thing is company pages that we require. So over here, what you have given me is, I believe, a page. Yeah, this is a page which you have created. So yes, over here, just let me check. Okay, so okay, see over here, about us. So about us is very short. I mean what you are doing, how you are doing, that is not there. So I'll just show you my Facebook page. Yeah, see over here, this is my page. Over here, see more, see over here. Then over here in the short description, this is what I have. And over here you can see all the keywords, say SEO, SEM, SMM, SMO, ASO, mobile marketing, affiliate marketing, proximity marketing, everything over here I have provided. See, digital marketing is used over here, a digital carrier is used. So like this, I mean I've used all the keywords in the short description as well. See, in about us over here, you can see how much content I have written over here. See, all my keywords are there. See, all the company names are there. Then all the this all CMS names which are being searched by people on Google hundreds or say thousands of time every day in search engine. So like this over here you can see everything. And these are all the, say, different courses that I take on digital marketing. So all of them I have added over here, so you can just see. And see over here, you can see my website is there. Then see over here, messenger link is there, my email address is there, business hours are there. Then over here the category is there. Then over privacy policy is added, phone number, WhatsApp number is added, my Skype ID is added, my Twitter account, Instagram account, YouTube URLs, everything is there. So see, if you add all these things, then people will trust you. That is what it is. And see, I mean you can have good followers also. So I don't say that these are good followers, but say okay, fine, 1624 followers are there on Facebook. And I'm not sure how many on Instagram. Instagram, yeah, over here Instagram. Okay, so Instagram are 4496. Okay, fine, and 38 new likes again. So fine, so many people started to follow you. Okay, so these all new people. So every day, say 100, 200 people, 96, 50, 80 people keep on following. So this figure is increasing every day. So like this. So I mean, yeah, so it's okay. I mean, it's over here. This is not I'm not using this as an official account, but this is just a personal account sort of thing over here. So I mean, you can just see this. This was in say one of the colleges. Uh, this was a workshop. So yeah, it was Mahatma Phule College, Uran. So this was at their college. So like this, I mean, I have taken the training. See, this is at Capgemini Airoli. So these are all the photographs with the team leaders. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 team leaders, 5 team leaders and one manager, like that. So yeah, I mean, so this kind of things I have added, and yeah, some of the photographs and videos. So yeah, I mean, if you keep on adding, the only thing is that you need to keep on add content on daily basis. You need to engage people. That is what we need to do. So once you do that, then everything is fine. Yeah. So any more questions
No,
for
no,
today?
nothing. That's all. Like that's all. This all only practicals and all
Okay,
search console
fine.
and all. I had little
So
doubts. I was like, yeah, clear it out because this is my
yeah,
business. So if Facebook and everything
no, no, you,
comes, so I can practice for this. Gift it on. I can take it and practice.
yeah,
And search console and Google My
yeah,
Business. I can
absolutely,
use this
absolutely. You can start that.
Uh,
So you can
Earth rebooted. I can use this site.
yeah, yeah, you can use that. Not a problem. Yeah, yeah. That you can use it. See, at least for practice, you can use it. Not a problem. But I cannot guarantee you how long it will be there because say
Yeah.
since it is a training server. So I mean, at least for a year it would be there. So up till a year you can definitely use it. So not a problem. So yeah, that's fine. So fine then. In the next session we'll take up something interesting. I mean, interesting. Yes, of course. The Google Ads is there. So yes, that would be little more interesting than whatever we have done till now. Because over there it's like putting ads everywhere, say in YouTube and different places. So that is something good. So you can promote your business instantly with when people will just search with your keywords, and they can directly uh, get get to see your ads. Say like we search on Google digital marketing courses, and you get to see various ads. So these all ads, so I'm searching for digital marketing course, and say these all ads are coming. So if you want to put your ad, then you can put your ad also. So like this, these are all paid advertisements. So here we will be learning paid advertisement. So fine, we will start with Google Ads next time, and then once that completes, then we will take up. We will start with social media. So over there is a lot of things. I mean, and more interesting will
Okay,
start
okay.
now.
So analytics we can complete now.
Okay, fine then. See you in the next
Okay,
session.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah, analytics we can complete. Yes, absolutely. That will take up
Okay,
in
okay.
next session. So I mean only two reports are pending. So that we can take it up. So that yeah, that we will
Okay,
complete
okay.
in next session. Fine. Okay. Yeah.